Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chubb Specialty Insurance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Chubb Specialty Insurance, begin by researching the types of coverage offered. Visit the official Chubb website to explore available policies. Review the specific specialty insurance options to determine which best suits your needs. Take note of the coverage limits and any exclusions associated with each policy. Contact a Chubb insurance agent or broker for personalized assistance. Prepare the necessary documentation, including personal identification and any relevant property information. Discuss your requirements with the agent to ensure they understand your specific needs. Request a quote for the chosen specialty insurance policy. Review the quote carefully, considering premium costs and coverage details. If you are satisfied with the quote, inform your agent of your intent to proceed. Complete the application form provided by your agent. Submit any required documents alongside your application. Make arrangements for payment, as this may be necessary to activate your policy. Once everything is processed, request a copy of your policy documents. Review your policy thoroughly to understand coverage terms and conditions. Keep a record of your policy and any correspondence with Chubb for future reference. If you have questions after installation, reach out to your agent for clarification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.